amazing and beautiful I look today, feel free to keep watching. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with SadowSense, which I have candlelight here. So I am just going to take this directly from my wand and I am going to put it all over my lid. And specifically for these SadowSense colors, especially when I'm just creating the base, I usually just like to use my finger. If I'm working with a customer or a client and I'm doing their makeup, I make sure not to obviously touch my hand. So I use this to create my solid base color, and I usually don't put foundation over because it just has a little bit of the different properties, and specifically when you're using SadowSense, it's a really good primer, and especially if you want it to sit and to stay. I'm going to start off with actually Amethyst, which is our purple color. I'm going to just take this color and just take just a little bit on. And I'm going to put this kind of all over my eye. So we're going to get the first kind of transition purple color. So I put that all over this side, and I'm going to take some of the color, same directly right off the wand, and I'm going to put this all over first kind of transition color that I have here, and what I am actually going to do is I am going to take this color and I am going to just kind of work it out here on the crease just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to darken up this inner corner that we have here. I am actually going to use the top of my climate control, and I'm going to take just a little bit of our amethyst color that we have here, and then I'm going to take just a little bit of onyx, and we are going to darken up this color ever so slightly. And what I am doing with actually the back of my brush is I am mixing it together for that dark, more dense color. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to take it off, and we are going to get that directly into the crease right there. Don't worry about it being just a little too dark. What we're going to do is we're really just going to brush this kind of out and then really just focus on this inner corner right here. Well, outer corner. We are going to take our Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, and once again I am just going to apply it directly inside my corners right there. If you apply the Sandstone Pearl Shimmer directly on, it creates something that's just a little bit more dense. You can actually see the difference where you have the straight color on the eyes versus blending it out just a little bit together. So we are going to take a second and just blend this color. This has to be probably my favorite color to ever put in the inside eyes, is actually Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, because it just creates that little bit of something that you want. And I'm going to go ahead, and because I want to make this a little bit more intense, we're going to go in with a second layer. So I am just taking this the outside the inner corners of the eye and then working it to the outside. I'm going from in the corner to out, that way I do not get any of this dark color. So we're taking our amethyst and we are making that inner corner just a little bit more dense with purple. Next, we are actually going to go take our candlelight, and I am going to use this underneath my brow bones. So you have that awesome, sexy little highlight, and I am just going to dab this in. And what this basically creates is a highlight underneath my brow bone, and because I'm using SadowSense as all of my colors, you're actually able to just take your blending brush, same one that I've been using, and just blend these styles out. Next, I'm going in with our Onyx SadowSense, and we are going to just create our liner. So for me, I always start from the inner corners of the eyes just above the pupil and work out. Specifically if I am trying to create a more highlighted look with my eyeliner. So what I did here is I created a corner from the corner of the eye to the top of the eyebrow. I basically just pulled the wing out, we go straight, and then you fill it back in here with the other side. And now the challenge is to do it again. Because I am doing fake eyelashes, normally I will do Lash Sense with Undersense that I have here, but I am only going to do my Lash Sense today with my fake eyelashes. And the best thing about Lash Sense with Undersense is that it is really hydrating for your lashes. And you can see what a difference it makes with just a little bit of mascara. Great, so now that we have the mascara on, I am going to go ahead and put on my fake eyelashes. So no need to try to do this over video. I actually have Precious Topaz here on my lips with just a layer of glossy gloss. So I absolutely love, love, love this color. It just creates this elegant beauty look with just a little bit of shine to it. This is pure 3 layers of Precious Topaz. So I'm going to go in for a little bit more of the dramatic eye look, and we are going to go back with our Onyx. We're just going to take a little bit, and we are going to give ourselves some eyeliner. Now we have a little bit more of a dramatic look, and last but not least, one of the last steps I'm going to do is take just the tiniest little bit of Snow SadowSense, and I'm going to brighten up these corner eyes, and then I'm going to take just a little bit extra, and we are going to highlight and blend right underneath. So just to add just that little bit of extra shine, all I do is just take a little bit of our pearlizer, and we are going to highlight right underneath on our cheekbone, right here. This is my final look today. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Please like or subscribe to my video. That'd be greatly appreciated. If you have any other questions, feel free to DM me below. So like or subscribe. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.